Hello babies, welcome to another beautiful day of class. Today is Tuesday, July 28, 2020, and in our math class we are going to check our exercises. Yesterday we were talking about that our topic is 4 as a factor. And yesterday you wrote, you copied in your notebook the table of 4. So, also yesterday you were working in exercise number 1 of your book. Just check your answer. Here I have the correct answers of each one of them. Please check that you have the correct answers. Exercise number 2. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. It is the same if I said 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 plus 4, how much is it? 8, right? So 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Very good. Now, exercise number 3, follow the signs. You're going to follow sign by sign. First, you have to do a multiplication. Then you have to do a subtraction and then an addition. Check that you have the correct answers, please. And here I have an example of the last one exercise. Don't forget that when we are talking about the additions and subtractions of money, we always line up the decimal point. We always line up the decimal point, like this one. Line up. And also, the sign, the dollar sign, it is on the left side, not in the right side. So please, work in exercise number 2, number 3, and number 4 of page 41. Don't forget it. Page 41 of your math book. That was everything for today. I hope you are having a good time at home. Please take care and see you until the next class.